men, right from the times of their early childhood when they are toddlers, they are discouraged by their family members and by other people to feel weak emotions, which is like sadness, pain. In fact, boys are told that if they cry, they tend to be like girls. So what happens is that as men grow up, they start suppressing their own pain, their own grief, and any places where they feel weak. In fact, throughout their lives, they feel extremely ashamed when they are in a dependent situation or when they are feeling weak, because to them it simply means that to be weak means that they are not man enough. Throughout their life, they have a lot of desire to achieve more and more, because for them it means that achieving more and more is being extremely masculine. And there are many men that even if they have achieved a lot, they would be bothered by minor failures, they would be bothered by minor things that they have not got. As far as the psychological disorders are concerned, in men the most common conditions tend to be schizophrenia, addictions. Men also tend to be depressed, but they do not acknowledge their own depressive symptoms. Right from the adolescence, when a young boy becomes an adolescent, the family exercises a lot of pressure on them to be independent and to be outgoing. Though most men and boys, they experience this as good and they want to be independent and outgoing, there are some who feel really troubled by the fact that they can be no more dependent on their family, they can be no more dependent on others, and they feel bad about it, but at the same time they don't share it due to the pressures of the society. Even when boys are choosing their career, there's a lot of accent and force on boys to choose a well-paying career. There are many young men who want to go into maybe creative occupations like art and music, or maybe they want to do things away from the mainstream, but it is extremely difficult for them because there is a lot of family pressure to choose a career which is well-paying. When men marry and when they become more independent, there are further problems because they experience a lot of stress from the workplace. They know that they have to be the main breadwinners of the family, they have to do excellent in their career, and that is why they feel really stressed. And any failure that happens, they cannot take it in their stride.